In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10, and let me show you how to simulate color space here. So at first just open the settings, and then find and select developer options. However, if you cannot find them here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer panel, and then you will be able to smoothly locate it under the settings. So just click on developer options once they are unlocked and scroll down. And here you've got simulate color space. Click to open, and from now on you can pick the color palette that you would like to apply. So you can choose monochromacy if you want to have the black and white display. You can choose red-green. Then you've got also the second red-green color palette, and then blue-yellow. So it's up to you. You can see the difference in the top of the list, like in this panel. However, if you will go back to your home screen, it would be visible as well. So let me change it, for example, to monochromacy, and as you can see, the display is black and white as well. And then whenever you would like to switch it off and go back to default color, just tap on disabled. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.